Welcome back to another video, y'all. Today we're doing bacon wrapped hot dogs. First, you want to set your pellet grill to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using all beef hot dogs and the store brand bacon. You're gonna need 2 toothpicks for each hot dog. Start from the top and just spiral down the hot dog. Make sure you wrap it nice and tight. You're gonna poke the toothpick from one side of the hot dog, piercing through the bacon on both sides. Throw this on the pit. You're gonna want to season the top of these with your favorite seasoning. I'm throwing on this Killen's barbecue rub. They sell this stuff at your local HEB. I've seen it at Buc-ee's as well. Okay, let's go throw these on the grill. I'm gonna leave these on the pit, lid closed, for 15 minutes. Now for the toppings. We're gonna slice up an onion. For this, I'm using a red onion. You want to dice these onions up. Place them in a bowl, set them aside. We're gonna slice up some cherry tomatoes. Place these in a bowl, set them aside. We're gonna grate some cheddar cheese. Place these in a bowl, set them aside. Ooh, maybe a little treat right there. We're gonna chop up some cilantro. Place that in a bowl and set it aside. Okay, these hot dogs have been cooking for 15 minutes. We're gonna flip them over and we're gonna finish them off 10 more minutes. This gives you that crispy bacon and it also doesn't overdo the hot dogs. Okay, we have a total cook time of 25 minutes. And as you can see, these things are crispy. They got some good, nice grill marks. Let's pull them off and let's start topping. For my buns, I'm using brioche. First, we're gonna add a layer of sour cream. Second, we're gonna sprinkle with some cheese. Third, we're gonna top with the onion. Step 4, we're gonna add the sliced cherry tomatoes. And our fifth and final step, we're gonna just sprinkle dashes of cilantro. that is it. This is one of my son's all-time favorite recipe. Family really loves this. Give it a try. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one.
I think I outdid myself this time. Alright, let's try it out. Jeez, I don't even know how to go about this.